First things first, I appreciate your support. So this is a Samsung EcoBubble washing machine that was not completing a cycle. If you are lucky enough, a machine should give you an error code. So if it's not giving you an error code, it's quite hard to troubleshoot. So you have to call in a technician. So after doing a run, rinse and spin test, the machine would take long to fill with water. It will take long, but it won't give you an error. So I realized there was an issue with water coming in. So first things first, you have to check if there is enough water pressure from the main tap. The main tap was okay, the pressure was okay, so I knew the valves are okay, or one of the side of the solenoid valve is faulty because it's a two-way. There are two of them, one for soaking and one for filling water for washing. But because the water was coming in slowly, I knew definitely there is a cause. Either the dispenser is completely clogged or the filter was in a mess. So look at this one here. The filter was completely blocked. So if you're lucky enough, you'll unblock the filter and the machine will work perfectly. If you're unlucky, and this comes with Samsung, the common machines I've experienced, Samsung, Von, Ramtoms, my local market, they either burst or you will have to replace the entire valves. Other valves, even if you have an issue with the water, they'll give you an error, the machine will go off. So this one here, what I did is, first of all, try remove the filters. So I removed the filters for cleaning. I also had to test the solenoid valves. Because of this, and that's why we say ignorance is bad, because you'll ignore service and then you'll mess up the machine. You'll end up spending more on spare parts. So on this one here, one of the valve was affected because of a mere service, which was ignored by the client. Looking at the condition of that filter, the client told me it had taken her 10 years. This was the first time the machine was being serviced, and she was lucky because the old model Samsungs were perfect. It's not like the current one with too many sensors. Like, you ignore service and that's it, the machine will blow. If you are lucky, the part that is faulty, only the part will be faulty. If you are unlucky, it will affect the process on the motherboard, so you'll have to replace the motherboard. So what I did is replace the solenoid valves. So replacing the solenoid valve is something you can do. Use the same procedure. Check our YouTube channel. I've shared so many videos, so kindly subscribe to get more tips on how to maintain the machine. So what I did is test first, even before putting the screws etc. So what I did is this. I then plugged in the cables. The cable should be plugged in correctly, because if you don't, the machine will be soaking instead of filling with the water. So though the water will still go to the drum, but now it depends what time you have to take the softener. It's like confusing the machine. So if you're opening any machine and you're not sure, make sure that you take pictures or videos for reference. As I did the job, there was a very lovely dog there, very loyal animal. So as I did the test, you see now what is coming in. I had a good time with the dog. So if you're experiencing any water error, first of all, check if the pressure is okay, check the filters, basic stuff. If you don't do that, then be ready to replace the solenoid valves. And not, we have all this in stock. So value your machine just the way you value any other appliance. Thanks for the support, guys. If you're not subscribed to our channel, it goes a long way. Please do. Leave a like, share, and we'll appreciate that. God bless you guys. I love you.